This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Wi-Fi hotspot with another phone. First, open your phone's settings. Look for Network and Internet or Connections, then tap Hotspot and Tethering. Select Wi-Fi hotspot and simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This action transforms your phone into a portable internet source, ready to share its connection with other devices. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete, giving you internet access wherever you go. Now, let's customize your hotspot. Tap on Hotspot Name or SSID to give your network a unique name, making it easy to identify. Next, choose a strong, secure password under Security or Password. We recommend WPA2 Personal for the best protection. Remember this name and password, as you'll need them for the device you're connecting. These steps ensure your hotspot is both accessible and secure for sharing your internet connection. With your hotspot active, grab the second phone you wish to connect. Open its settings and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. Turn on Wi-Fi, and your phone will begin scanning for available networks. You should see the hotspot name you just created appear in the list. Select it, then carefully enter the password you set earlier. Once entered, confirm the connection, and your second phone will now be using the internet from your primary device's hotspot. Here are some helpful tips for using your hotspot. Always ensure both phones have adequate battery life, as hotspot usage can drain power quickly. Keep the devices within a reasonable range, typically up to 30 feet, for a stable connection. Also, remember to monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected charges or exceeding your plan's limits. If you encounter any connection issues, a quick restart of both devices often resolves the problem, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.